Ready for some paper envy? Today I'm flipping through 3 of Michael's paper pads, Azure Bliss, Stardust, and the mini Celestial pack. Let's dive in. First up, Azure Bliss by Craft Smith, 48 sheets of dreamy blues with gold foil accents. It has a beachy theme with swimwear, blue skies, and water elements. There's a very subtle woven pattern or soft dots adding a faux texture to most of the designs. This page has small flowers and upbeat phrases, find joy in the journey, chase dreams not perfection, and good vibes only. This one is a soft white with a distressed pale blue weave. Here we have some 6 by 6 cut-aparts with gold foil. The foil typically shows through the backside. Here's a beachy blue brick page. These soft stripes look like a beach chair. Here's a versatile blue floral print. Some of these small cut-aparts would work as card sentiments. Others would make good journaling spots, photo mats, or title cards. Again, the foil discolored the plain side. Plan to craft around that. Here's a darker version of the blue and white stripes. Simple white flowers with a pop of gold in the center. Here's a page of cut-apart strips. Creativity thrives on courage. Innovation begins with curiosity. This mottled blue gradient almost looks like a watercolor painting. Light blue flowers with dark blue centers. Azure Bliss has 48 pages, 2 of each design. Next is Stardust. This one has celestial designs along with some adaptable prints. Here we have constellations. Are you thinking 12 by 12 projects only? Think again. These designs moonlight on bookmarks, tags, cards, and beyond. Mindful cuts over mass cuts. Consider each design and how to use the elements for different formats. For example, when trimming this page, I would keep the crescent moon intact to serve as a focal point or card front. This page of cut aparts has multiple sizes. These gold stars feel celebratory. They would work well on a congratulations card. This page has a lighter, washed-out effect. This design is not cooperating with the camera, but it is deep blue with foil star borders at the top and bottom. Here's another soft yellow design. This one is struggling to focus, but it has soft shades of yellow with different phases of the moon. Get creative and adapt this design to suit smaller projects. The ornate edges would work well as corner pockets. Here's a page of cut-apart strips with gold foil details. Here's a page of 6 by 6 cut-aparts. There's a journaling card, a page that can work as a background or photo mat, and 2 phrases. Look into the stars. It's a good time to be alive. This blue version of the moon phases pops more than the yellow one. This is meant for a big scrapbook layout. But careful cutting can create a variety of mats and borders. We saw this earlier in a lighter palette with white dots. This one has deep blues with silver foil dots. I cut this one into sections to use the sun and moon on a small book page. These triangles will make nice corner pockets with paper to spare for mats or matching tags. Let's take a look at this Celestial Value Pack ribbon by Celebrate It. These coordinate well with the 12 by 12 paper pad. This purple glitter one feels more like trim than ribbon. It is more flexible, but sheds during handling. This iridescent design has a rubbery texture. It is easy to manipulate, but too rigid to tie in a bow. The blue, silver, and black glittery ribbons feel like the typical polyester ribbon. They don't seem to shed much and the back is plain. Finally, Recollections 6x6 Celestial Paper Pad. It has spacey images along with astrological designs. I already used most of this one, but I'll share a quick look. I made 3 projects from one pad and had about 5 sheets and some scraps left over. I decorated this 3-pack of 4x4 mini scrapbooks. I added ribbon detail to the coil and decorated the front and back covers. I'm using the scraps to add a few pockets and tags to this one. This pen has a slip of paper inside to add a spacey motif. This scratch pad is made of 1 sheet of 6x6 scrapbook paper and remnants from making mini envelopes. These 4x4 mini gift boxes are handcrafted from 2 sheets of scrapbook paper. They're perfect for small treats or trinkets. I created a mini stationery set featuring 3x3 cards, matching envelopes, and coordinating seals. These have rounded corners to offer a more polished feel. Here's an example with straight cuts. Copy-weight paper makes quick and easy mini envelopes. These work well as gift enclosure cards or little notes to give in person. I made little envelope seals by cutting the paper pad cover and adding double-sided adhesive. I made 10 seals from the cover and still have the top section of clouds left. I designed the gift box to feature a paper pattern in the bottom. You could use solid cardstock instead to make a heftier box. This single paper pad yielded 3 projects. If this flip through sparked ideas, hit like and subscribe for more papercraft inspiration.